I'm Polly Bath, and I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I saw your video about handling more behaviors in the classroom. How can I deal with kids who know what to do, but they are still being disruptive anyway without sending them out? Couple things going on here. We give them the instruction, we know they know what to do, or we think we know they know what to do. So I know where you're going there because I get that. We've given them the tools they need. The second thing that I want to be able to do with them is after I've taught them the tools they need and how to manage that behavior, that I'm kind of doing what I call my non-directive cue dance. I'm doing a constant coaching, redirecting, walking towards you, all those things that we do when kids start to be disruptive. I don't want to be standing in the front of the room saying, what are you supposed to do? You're not supposed to be doing that. What are your choices? Just don't go down that, kind of avenue, because then it's in front of their peers and you're liable to just re-escalate the situation. So do those techniques that you probably are doing really well in managing it in the classroom. When it gets to a point where it's so disruptive that you cannot teach and the child is not welcoming all the coaching and using the skills and all the wonderful things that you've taught them, you may have to have them leave the room. It may happen. But the secret here is that when they do, they may just go take a few minutes someplace else. They're not getting a lot of interaction from another person. They're not getting a lot of reinforcement for that behavior. They're just taking a moment so that you can teach. And then when they come back to the classroom, I want to hold them accountable. That means that child and I are going to have a conversation during their free time. Will it take a little bit of a time out of my free time? Yeah, it will. But if I have to send you out, that's a tier 2 level. If I got to send you out, then I also want you to be accountable for me for the disruptive behavior. So if you do have to send them out, just don't let somebody else be the one who closes the circle. In other words, who maybe puts in the logical consequence. You want that to come back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.